The court will blend the sentence with mercy. Mercy, however, is a balanced process of thought and must not be confused with maudlin sympathy. And I also got a duty in my profession to balance not only the right of the rich and the famous, but also the normal Zimbabweans who are here. Everybody must know they're going to get a fair sentence. Now, fairness and mercy is not maudlin sympathy. Mercy is a balanced process of thought. As far as number one is concerned, Mr. Mugabe, after careful consideration, due to the lesser charges, I'm of the opinion, and before I do that, I'm not going to say this. I do not know whether the second accused took the rep for you. And I can only act on what is before me. Number two, pleaded guilty on all these counts. So I don't know. But nevertheless, I will proceed with sentencing on the counts as they were proved. Number one, as far as count 5 is concerned, you are fined to 400,000 rands or 24 months imprisonment. That is now the pointing of the toy gun or that was likely to lead the person to believe it was a firearm. As far as count 6 is concerned, that's the immigration law, 49, section 49(1)(a). You are fined 200,000 rands or 18 months imprisonment. It is also ordered that you You will be escorted by the investigating officer who is here at court today and who must be complimented for that. It's not every day that we encounter that in the regional courts anymore. So he will escort you to our Tambu to oversee your departure today. So no order is made in terms of section 103(1) of the Arms Ammunition Act. You are deemed unfit to possess a firearm. I will then now proceed with accused number 2. Or before I do that, number 1, Mr. Mugabe, you can count yourself very lucky that the complainant in your case was not injured. Normally, fines are inappropriate in immigration matters. However, you are in a position to pay for yourself, alleviating the department or the state from the duty to deport you. Mr. Matonzi, number 2, you had been convicted on very serious counts. Attempted murder, defeating and or obstructing the course of justice by concealing and or disposing of a firearm in question, the illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. The fact, as I said, that the complainant was remunerated, together with all the other mitigating factors already mentioned, will definitely soften the effect of the sentence. As I said, from my experience, and I am here in Alexandra now for 26 years. And I'm in the regional court probably for about 50 years. If a complainant does not want to continue with a case and accused plea not guilty, a conviction is seldomly achieved. So it took some guts from you to plead guilty to all these counts. So basically what you did is you put yourself, number 2, at the mercy of this court by pleading guilty. So that says quite a lot in your favor. So the court, with regard to you, is of the opinion that the following is a well-balanced sentence. And normally, direct long-term imprisonment is applicable for these offences. You're not going to escape jail today. So, the court is of opinion that the following is a suitable and well-balanced sentence. It's going to be a merciful sentence. As I said, mercy is not moral and sympathy. As far as count 1 is concerned, you are sentenced to 12 months imprisonment. Count 2, you are sentenced to 12 months imprisonment. Count 3, you are sentenced to 3 years imprisonment. Count 4, you are sentenced to 12 months imprisonment. The court orders that all the sentences be served concurrently. It is further ordered that you be deported once the sentences are served. Do you all understand? Mr. Mugabe? Mr. Matonzi? Good.